2014 Durango. The only thing that it does is that occasionally I try to put it back into drive, right? It won't go back into drive from the park position. And the light flashes whenever it does this. And I find that I have to try to do it and turn the car off and turn it on for about 15 minutes, and then lo and behold, it works. I think it's something having to do with that dial, to be honest with you. I'm just making a gut call. It could be transmission, but I do want it fixed. I love the car. I think it's something that probably could be fixable. I don't know that it's an internal transmission issue. I don't think it is.
Right, exactly. Has anybody looked at it? Has anybody checked for codes in the computer?
They looked for codes, but I don't know that they knew what they were doing. I was going to take it to a transmission shop later today.
Well, that would be the first thing that needs to be done. I would agree with you. It doesn't sound like the problem's inside the transmission. I do believe it's related to this, I think they call it E-shifter or rotary shifter. And I believe that it in itself is a little mini computer. And I believe that goes bad quite often. So I think it's going to be a simple fix.
It's a mini computer.
I don't know how expensive it is. I can't imagine it's hard to replace because it's right there, right? I don't know how expensive the part is. So I can't imagine it's going to be super expensive.
Probably under $500, right?
I would think, yeah.
I'm just saying. Mm-hmm. And that's what I'm thinking because, again, I absolutely love this car. It's exactly what I wanted.
Sure.
And whenever you pick up a used car, I'm looking at if you can end up throwing between $500 and $1,000 in it.
Right.
So I generally follow that rule. So anything around that amount of money to get it fixed is, you don't have anybody you recommend, or either nationally or locally.
Absolutely. I can certainly recommend a couple different either mobile mechanics or shops in your area if you would like. I'm happy to send over that information here once we're off the phone. All right. I can do that for you. Mm-hmm. Any other questions while we're on the phone, my friend?
No, that should pretty much do it. Like I say, I wasn't getting anywhere taking it back where I bought it because I got the age-old annex. It's not doing it now.
Right.
Well, did you hit the gas a little bit maybe before you moved the dial and all this other stuff? Because I told them it also starts racing while this is going on. It's like I'm doing neutral slams when I'm not.
I gotcha.
And eventually it just calms itself down and stops doing it.
Right. Outstanding. Well, hopefully it's a simple and inexpensive fix for you. That would be ideal.
Right.
So, all right. Well, I'll send over that information over in the chat here. And if you have any other questions, if anything comes up, just let me know. I'll be happy to help.
Okay. Thank you very much.
All right. You bet. You're welcome.
Bye.